Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these mini no-bake cheesecakes that are filled with a creamy filling with chunks of Oreo cookies. Now let's get to the recipe. These are all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. So firstly, it's pure cream, Philadelphia cream cheese, vanilla essence, unsalted butter, icing sugar, and Oreos. I'm just using the original Oreos. To make the crust, I'm going to use 24 Oreos and I'm going to just put it in a Ziploc bag and just crush them. You can also do this using a food processor if you have one. And crush these Oreos until you get fine crumbs. Melt 60 grams of butter in your microwave. Add your Oreo crumbs into your melted butter and just mix them together. Line the bottom of your cake tin with parchment paper and scoop the mixture into the pan and firmly press it down with one even layer. And I'm using these mini cake tins. You can also just make one big cheesecake with it. But I just found these and they're so cute. And now you're going to transfer this to the refrigerator to chill while you make the cheesecake filling. To make the filling, firstly we're going to whip up the pure cream. I'm using 480 ml of pure cream and you're just going to whip it up using a standard mixer. Once it looks really nice and thick, we're going to whip up 16 ounces of cream cheese into a bowl until it's really smooth. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. For the filling, I like my cheesecake to have really huge Oreo chunks, so I'm just going to chop up some Oreos. I'm chopping up 16 Oreos for the filling. Once the Oreos are all nicely chopped up, add it to your cream cheese filling and just mix it in all together. Now I'm going to transfer the heavy whipping cream into this bowl and just mix it in gently. video. The crust should be all set now, and you're going to scoop the cheesecake filling onto the crust and carefully spread it all over. And you're going to tap it in to make it all even. This is totally optional, but I think it just looks better, so I'm just going to put some Oreo crust on top of the filling. And now you're going to put it back into the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 to 5 hours, or the best if you leave it out overnight. So I left it out overnight because I had the time, and I'm just going to open it now to show you guys the inside. And this is it. This is all you need to do for the no-bake cheesecake, and it just looks so good with the chunky Oreos in the middle and the creamy rich filling. I'm just going to top it off with one tiny Oreo on top because it looks so cute like that. This recipe will make around 4 or 5 mini Oreo cheesecakes, but if you want to make one big 9-inch cake tin cheesecake, then you can just do that instead. And look at how good that looks. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!